Assalamualaikum, I'm Aisyah Shakira.
Hi, Assalamualaikum, I am Nur Shakira.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Sadiq.
Oh, hello guys. My name is Raihan binti Raja Yusuf. Come, let's go.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Fatihah. Oh, really?
Yes.
I don't think so about that. Sadiq. Sadiq.
Sadiq.
Sadiq Umairah. Sadiqah. What's wrong with her?
I don't know, probably she's looking at her phone. Just come. Aisha, you know what? I'm missing something.
Really? What is it?
This.
You have been there, Shakira. MashaAllah. You are so lucky. I never knew.
Yes, it was very memorable. I still miss the atmosphere of just being there. The surroundings, the people, how they bond together although they never knew each other. Muslims from all over the world offered salams and smiled at each other. Your angers, your worries, all just vanished. I can't describe how I'm feeling, and you just can't imagine how I'm just being there.
You speak as if you are still there. Hey, look. That's Fatihah.
Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone.
Waalaikumsalam.
What's that with the gloomy face?
Nothing. I'm just feeling tired with all assignments. Feel like I need a long rest. Oh, but I need to make arrangements for our last Usrah meetup. Oh, speaking of our last Usrah meetup, our exam is also just around the corner. Wow, time really flies. There is so much to do. By the way, where is the Usrah meeting?
She is very tired. Her eyes closed. Maybe she's asleep. Poor Fatihah. Just let her rest.
Okay. Sadiq, what are you doing? Sadiq? Sadiq!
Hish, Kak Damira, you don't have to shout.
Excuse me? I called you so many times, but you don't answer me. You are too engrossed on your phone. Come back to reality.
I'm sorry, I was looking at this.
Your parents ask me about you. You know, they always ask me about you if you don't reply their messages, right?
So,
aren't you supposed to feel guilty towards them? They are your parents, Sadiq.
yes, I replied them soon. At least I give them external result and don't get to any trouble.
That wouldn't be enough. You must know, excellent or not, that's not going to be enough. They really care about you and provide everything for you.
Okay, enough with your lectures, please.
That's it. I reminded you 1,000 times, even before this. You are a grown-up person. Know your priorities. That smartphone.
is making you forget everything else, especially your parents. At least call them or text them, tell them how you are getting on here. Please, don't forget, it's their love and sacrifice that brought you here.
Whatever. Kak, dia Aziz. Dia Usrah tonight.
Oh, really? Okay, that's fine for me because it is weekend tomorrow. I mean, shouldn't be a problem. We did not have to go to class.
I don't have the mood of going tonight. Kak Damira and I had a fight.
I know about that. Well, I knew about that because Kak Damira told me yesterday. You know, she really cares about you ever since we entered here. So, besides, Fatihar is Nakiba. She will not like if anyone doesn't go to the Usra without valid excuses.
Fine. I won't sit beside her. That's for sure.
It's okay. We just go for tonight, okay?
I hope this can help Kak Damira and Sadiq to be nice each other back. I don't want any of them whole answer anymore. Besides, what is Usrah for?
Hai, Assalamualaikum.
I'm sorry that I'm late.
It's
I need to say something.
It's okay. Hold your breath and then we start.
Thank you. You will start now? I start.
Okay, everyone, I want to show you all something. Follow me.
Tada!
Oh, that's the replica of the Kaaba.
Wow, I miss it so
MashaAllah.
much. So nice.
So, Fatihar, what are you trying to explain by showing us this replica of Kaaba? Yeah, I was also wondering. Why indeed, Fatihar?
Kaaba is a symbol of unity. I just want to share with you all how this Kaaba can unite everyone despite coming from races, different countries, and who they are. Whether they are rich or poor, royal or a commoner, they come together as one. Maybe Kak Shakira can explain more. She had been there.
Huh? It's true. When I was there, everything is so peaceful. As if you left all your worries. Two people who had misunderstood will not last seconds. They will smile, greet, and forgive each other back. Yes. The environment there transpires love, care, and respect, even to someone you never met before. Different people have different experience, but this was what I felt, and I still miss it every day.
I don't understand. How can it be possible? I mean, it's just a building with a black kiswah.
I don't think you are getting it, Sadiq. What we're trying to say here is taking the Kaaba as a symbol of unity. You see, we worship Allah, and Kaaba is the Qibla when we do prayers.
Not just you or me or us, but all Muslims around the world.
We may get angry of each other, but we all have the same purpose in this world. We are facing the same direction. We are united as one to do good deeds towards everything.
Aisha is right. From the moment we walk into this room, all were mesmerized by the Kaaba, though it's just a replica. We hold it to our heart that this is the symbol of unity, the symbol of Islam. And together, we are united with love for the one and only Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. May the grace of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam be hold tight to the Sunnah so that we are stronger, both physically and most importantly, spiritually. Alhamdulillah, that's all for this last meeting. I hope we continue to look out and take care of each other. Let's forgive one another and keep our sisterhood bond blessed forever, inshallah.
Inshallah.
We end this usrah with tasbih kafarah and surah wal-as.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.
Kak Damira is here. I should end this awkwardness now.
I know you will come because I prayed and Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala answered. That's everything?
Yes.
Alright.
Wow! Yay! Mission accomplished.
Wow! Yes! Mission accomplished!
Yes! Mission accomplished.